All right. So hi guys, welcome to the engineering classroom. You can see we have a science classroom and we're equipped with the two TVs on either side, so you can look at either one, whichever you want. All right, so engineering at CDO. We have two classes that are currently offered at CDO. Engineering is a 3-year CTE program. We'll talk about the missing class in a second. But Introduction to Engineering Design, that's the first class. And Engineering 102, which is the advanced engineering class, and it's also a optional dual credit and honors class. We'll talk about it in a second, okay? Really fast. For intro, it has a prerequisite of Algebra 1, which means you should be in the advanced math class of geometry as a freshman if you would like to take it. However, I would say about half of my class normally is upperclassmen that are interested in engineering later. So it covers basic engineering design. We talk about sketching, we do measurements, design processes, and CAD program. We do, oh my goodness, so many what we call design activities, and we do larger projects towards the end of the year. So if you look over there, you can see some of our larger projects from this last year. We did balsa bridges. So we set up, they designed and built their bridge to hold as much weight as possible, and we set it up across of the tables. I believe this year, I think we got up to about 30 pounds. The record is 68 pounds. So this is just some pictures. Normally I set this on a timer when we do 8th grade and it just goes. This is the bridge that held 68 pounds. I almost ran out of weight to put on top of it. Okay, 102 is the advanced class. 102 is for upperclassmen mainly. There are a couple of sophomores that do get into 102 and they do very well. We cover a little bit more the math part with the Excel, and we do some mathematical modeling. We design and build solar ovens out of cardboard, aluminum, and black construction paper. You can see a couple of examples back there. They normally reach about 300 degrees Fahrenheit, so about the temperature of your actual oven, just by using those materials. Oh, I forgot newspaper as insulation, and sitting outside in the sun. So it's a pretty involved project, but it's a lot of fun. For that class, we visit U of A. It is an optional dual credit, which means you can earn college credit for that class. So in engineering, we focus on design process. So there's a problem, and you guys get to design your solution. So here's your problem. We live in an earthquake-prone area. Not really, but we do a little bit. And I want to build the tallest building that I can possibly make for like a fairly cheap price. So I'm limited on my materials. My materials are toothpicks and little marshmallows, okay? So your problem, build the tallest building that you can possibly make that survives the earthquake, all right? We will be testing your models on what you see in front of you. It's a nice lovely ground, which is Jell-O. Okay, do not eat the Jell-O. Just saying. What I'm going to have you guys do is you're going to test these basic shapes that have already been provided for you. Then you're going to take what you learned from your test and you're going to apply it to build the tallest building that you can do. Okay.
I think that one will stand up. Really?
I promise you, you're not going to hurt them, so you don't need to be gentle.
Don't let the Jell-O fly out there. Like that. Stay with it.
Okay. This is good. Alright, Big Tower Boy. Oh gosh. Big Tower Boy's not gonna make it. Like, I just don't know out of time. Already started building up. Almost a complete push.
Alright guys, try this thing.
Oh, okay. Is that true?
Alright guys, I need 2 to come over here and test. At least.
1, 2, 3,
4,
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Mine lived.
Ah! I don't want to live in your tower. It looks beautiful, but if you want to, on your way out, you can see the 3D printers working over there, and then some of our projects in the back, so you're welcome to look. Thank you for coming, everybody.
Wait, where did she want us to put them?